Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to do this nail set right here for Valentine's Day. This is not your traditional reds and vibrant pinks. I just wanted to do a kind of a more neutral inspired set for my first Valentine's Day set of the year. And I'm going to show you exactly how I got it done from start to finish. Starting off with these nail tips from McCart, and then I'm also going to grab this gold from Born Pretty. So I'm going to paint this on the thumb and the ring finger. This is a gorgeous gold colour. I'll have all the products that I use linked in the description, and along with any discount codes that I might have for the companies that I use. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to do one coat only on the ring because I'm going to go over this with some bling, and then I'm going to grab my Autumn Aura from Madame Glam. This is another beautiful shade. It's more neutral. It's not overly vibrant pink, but it is an gorgeous orangey pink, which is perfect with this gold shade right here. Now, starting off the design part, I just grabbed some McCart rhinestone glue and I'm just going to apply it to the middle of the nail here. I started off with this Loveheart gem and then quickly decided that I didn't want it on this nail at all. And I went in with the glass rhinestones. So these are some Lovehearts and just some circular rhinestones. And I'm just going to apply the Loveheart in the middle and then apply some big to small rhinestones on the way out, just down the centre of the nail. And I really like this effect. The gold rhinestones against the gold glitter is absolutely gorgeous. It really blings out this nail with not a lot of effort. And I kind of like the fact that the glitter is a true gold, but these rhinestones are more of a champagne gold because you can see the difference in the colour. And yeah, I love how bling and how shiny this nail turned out. So on to the next part of the nail design, and I'm going to pull out a stamping plate. This one is from Nicole Diary and I got it on AliExpress quite a few years ago, so I'm not sure if you can even get it anymore. But this is the image here that I'm going to use, and I also want to try out this stamping polish from AliExpress that I got in my last haul and see if it's any good. I'm going to use my Savvyland stamper that I got on Amazon, and I'm just going to apply the polish to the plate, and then I'm going to do one big scrape along the plate. So this is quite a decent bit of polish and then one big scrape. I'm going to also just roll the stamper over the image, and apply it to the nail. So with Madame Glam's polishes, they typically don't have a dispersion layer or a sticky layer, so it's quite easy to stamp directly on top of them. With a lot of polishes, you do have to maybe apply a matte top coat or wipe off the dispersion layer and then do your stamping. But with Madame Glam, it is quite easy to stamp on top of them, which is very handy because it takes out that extra step of maybe applying your matte top coat or taking off your dispersion layer. I then decided to pick up this image right here, which is so cute, and add it to the pinky. I'm definitely going to use this image again. I've never used it before and I loved how it came out, especially in black. So at this point here, I decided that this stamping design just needed a little something extra, and I went ahead and I coloured in about 4 or 5 of these love hearts with the same gold that I put on the ring and on the thumb finger. So this is, I think it really added a lot of dimension to this nail set. It also really tied in the whole black and gold theme that was kind of going throughout the nails, and I love it. I think it looked way better with some of these little love hearts shaded in. That's what I love about stamping with designs that are kind of outlined. You can colour them in if you want to. You can kind of jazz them up a little bit. So yeah, this is exactly what I did with this one here. Here we go. This is how the nail set turned out. I absolutely love it. I love the colours together. I love the bit of black thrown in and the love heart theme. I'm so happy with this set. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions about anything that I've used or done in this nail set, and I'll see you in the next one.